Wilmon rock.
Wilmon.
Ooh, sneaky link. When the last time you had a sneaky link? Is it true that you slept with someone on the first night?
What is that?
Do you spit or swallow?
Hey, OGP. Hey, OGP. Hey, it's OGP. I'm in the studio. We pushing P.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with another video. Yeah.
He needs some milk.
Oh shit. Yes, sir. Today we doing spin to win. You know what I'm saying? They gotta spin the wheel. We got a lot of different things on here. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna get into it. We at Fort Lauderdale Beach. Let's see what happens. Your boy White Pree, and I'm back with
Jay,
how you doing today?
I'm well, and you?
I'm alright. That's good to hear. So look, we got a spinning wheel, spin to win. You know what I'm saying? You could win $1. You could get a shot of Henny. Go ahead, take a spin.
See.
That was a little soft spin. Ooh.
What is that?
Do you spit or swallow?
I swallow.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ooh. You heard it. You want to spin again?
Yeah, let me.
Cause I ain't really like that spin though. It was a little soft. There you go. Let's see. Ooh, she getting the good ones. Confession. What's your body count? She get all the good ones.
Oh my God, what is that?
What's your body count? How many people you killed in the bedroom?
I can't tell you that.
More like 1, 2, maybe 3.
It's a secret. I don't kiss and tell.
Alright. I appreciate you though. You have a good day.
You too. Have a good
It's boy White Pree, I'm back with.
Jamar. Quan. Mellow.
Come on, man. Y'all boys can't act scared now. Come on. So look, we got a spin wheel, right? Spin to win. Who gonna go first? You gonna go first? Alright, go ahead. Take a spin. Let's see. Damn, bro. You spit or swallow? It's boy White Pree, and I'm back with
Wayne out here.
Wayne. How you day going?
Good,
You just got out the water?
Yeah.
Alright, he lit. So look, today we gonna play a little game, you know what I'm saying? I got a lot of different things here, so you gonna spin to win. You ready?
Yeah. We'll see.
Let's get it. Go ahead, spin. Yeah. Let's see what it is.
Oh, what do you got?
Go for a swim. He already been in the water though. You gotta do it?
We'll do it.
You gonna do it? Alright, hold on. Spin one more time and then you go, and then, yeah. Cause you already been in the water, so it's kinda, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's go. It's boy White Pree, and I'm back with. Can you like turn that down a little bit? Copyright.
Shot. Slim.
Slim over here, big puffin, big joint,
Feet.
and feet. How y'all doing today?
Good. Yeah, great.
Having fun? Y'all not gonna get in the water?
We just came from out the water.
Okay, yeah. Y'all kind of wet.
Wait a minute.
Alright, so look, we got a spinning wheel, you know what I'm saying? We got a lot of different options and prizes and all that. So who gonna go first?
I want to go first.
You wanna go first? Go ahead.
Okay.
Dun dun dun. Ooh, sneaky link. When the last time you had a sneaky link, or you linked up with your sneaky link?
That's a federal ass question.
Like 2 days ago. It sounded like last night. The way you acting.
No.
The way you acting.
I actually think it was Monday.
Monday. Today what?
Monday.
Saturday?
Yeah.
Nah, that wasn't a long time ago. Alright, we gonna move on. My camera woman for the day.
Yes, give a good visual. Y'all
Right.
follow me. RTSCHAEBAB. Happy Independence Day.
Yes, sir. It's boy White Pree, and I'm back with. Keon, how your day going so far?
It's going good, good, good.
All right, you ready for school?
Yeah, kind of.
All right. So look, today we got a spin to win. You ready?
Yep.
All right, go ahead. Ooh, I know you 15, but what's your body count? Come on, bro, don't lie, bro, don't lie. If it's 1, it's okay. You 15. Well, first of all, what grade you in?
I'm going to 10th.
You going 10? All right. So what? 1? Half of 1? You working on it?
I'm working on it.
All right, my boy working on it though. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Damn, bro. You spit or swallow? Alright, go ahead. Go ahead. Damn. I know. Come here. Why you running? Come here.
Sneaky link.
I know you don't got no sneaky link.
I got my 5 sneaky link.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Nah, y'all boys cheating. Take off a coat.
Take off one of my clothes.
Go for a swim. Come on, get that real quick. Truth. Y'all boys got a truth y'all want him to confess to? Y'all know him, so what y'all want him to confess up to?
Is it true that you still like Princess?
Ooh, who's Princess? Ooh, don't run. Who's Princess? Monday. Today what? Saturday? Nah, that wasn't a long time ago. Alright, we gonna move on. A little baby spin. Ooh. You gotta take off one clothing. Get sturdy. You know how to get sturdy?
No. Gotta do some hips.
Oh, okay. Hold on, we gotta catch her finishing, taking off. There you go. Yeah, do a little 360 for my camera.
Get sturdy.
Get sturdy.
Get
You know how to
sturdy.
Sturdy, go ahead. Oh, y'all boys get sturdy. Come on. Turn up. Yeah. Hey.
Oh, we tryna pen on the oppas. Bitch, I'm a 300, that's some flockers. Like who hotter? Top shotters. Hoodied up, dread.
Man, make sure y'all tap in with that isolated vision. You know what I'm saying? What? Nah, it's not a prank. It's what white brain I'm back with.
Crystal.
Crystal, how your day going today?
It's going good.
All right, so look, we got a little quick game. You know what I'm saying? Spin the wheel. Stop trying to read the choices. You're gonna spin the wheel, and whatever it lands on, you gotta either do. You may win a cash prize. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of different options. You ready?
Okay.
It's a good spin. Ooh.
You gotta twerk.
30 seconds.
I don't know how to twerk. I'm gonna be honest with you. You can't shake the side to side.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Exactly, man.
Truth. Is there anything you want her to be truthful about?
I just met her.
You just met her? Oh man. What's the truth that we can ask? What's the truth that you can ask?
With someone on the first night?
Is it true that you slept with someone on the first night?
I have before,
Oh, wow.
but those were back in my old days.
So she's a changed woman now. You know what I'm saying? 2022. All right, I appreciate you. Okay, you're not gonna twerk for me? Well, for the camera. A little dance, shake the hips. You know the little TikTok dance, little hips.
No, I don't watch TikTok like that.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
This ain't really for the kids, goddamn, but. Alright, I gotta go. He say he spit. But yeah, man, make sure y'all go get that. Tap in with Isolated Vision. I'm gonna drop their Instagram description in the description below. Make sure y'all go tap in. Check out their shorts, their shirts. You know what I'm saying? They got track suits. They got everything you need. You know what I'm saying? And if you need a discount, just tell them I sent you. You know what I'm saying? Why Pree sent you. Tell them to give you that discount. You know what I'm saying? Check me out. Hold on. Yo. Gotta get that drip, man.